seen you before like this. My God, you're beautiful. It's like the first time when we opened the door for we got used to usual. It might seem superficial, stereotypical man. You dress up just a little and I'm like, oh damn. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh
What up?
eyes.
Earl Bagadjong, kamusta Earl? What up? Long time na tambay ah. Hindi ka nag-stream kasi. Thank you at na buhay pa ang aking stream sa'yo. That's very appreciated. Ano sabi niya? Tapos na siya.
Well, it comes and it goes, but I ride that wave with you. It's human nature to miss what's under your nose till you remind a fool. Maybe all of this is simple. My heart's unconditional, yeah. You dress up just a little and
Ito nagagawin niyo pag yung busy ng konti. Gano'n ka busy yan? Ito nagagawin niyo kapag yung partner niyo eh walang ginawa kundi matulog tapos miss niyo na. Baka naman hindi ka na nakapag work-life balance or school balance. Wala na akong ano dito. Wala nang mods. Gusto ko na maglaro. Yung lag ako. Will you check?
Ito.
Hindi ko memorize itong work, play, nood, kain, tulog. Ano maganda? Si Shoto! Sorry. High speed unit, wow! Congrats. Deserve bro, deserve. Ano to? Sabihin ko sana chat. Sa hindi ganito eh. Duty tayo. Duty! Nagpapanggap mag-duty. Ang isang doon chat. Sana magbaburn. Where to burn? On 992 dispatch, I'm not yet familiar with the new building. Where's the where you can burn evidences?
Top.
Rooftop?
Floor.
I'm sorry. 9?
Third floor.
Third floor at that. Oh my god.
Yes.
Why is it upstairs? Wala yun dyan. No? Hindi ako akit. Spike strip. Nagay tayo spike strip. Donations are well appreciated. Through PayPal or Gcash. Yan. Incinerator. Ano yun? Ano yung incinerator? Nanonood ka ba kay Patrick? Earl? Hindi na. Iba mga duties na kailangan gawin sa ano. Destinations are well appreciated, chat. Parang baba lang, ano, ito sa ping ko. So weird. Ba't kulang? Naligaw ako, fuck. Squid Game din, sinusunog yung body. Ha? What do you mean? Wow, ano yan? Pag horror game minsan lang. Pero well-deserved naman kay Bat na pag ano siya. Well-deserved yun, tayo na. Grabe naman na effort ni Bat kasi talaga. Take yun the time para siya mag-stream and everything. That's very well-deserved. Ano yung bag niya ba? Sino isang ano? How about the patrol board? Where do we get the patrols?
Second floor.
Second floor? Near the lobby, no? I have a question, Shoto. Nasa likod pa sa... Squid Game din sinusunog yung tarantado.
Wait, Peter.
Where? I'm sorry?
Sino ako dyan?
Specifically, where?
K9?
Where? Where will I wait you?
PD. RTP ako.
I'm so lost.
Tutor kita.
Uy, may ganito na. Ay, wala namang mic. Wala namang mic. Ano to? Paano kami mag... Ay, angin na. Talk through microphone pero walang microphone. Nice. Let me guess. CR. Diba? Tangina. Another CR. Diba? Pantry. Ooh, this is nice. Ito ang classroom sa wakas. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Pwede ako mag-conduct ng ano ngayon. Pwede ako mag-conduct ngayon ng academy.
Morning, Captain.
Good morning, good morning. Wait, wait,
Let's go,
wait.
let's go. Ito yung classroom. This is the classroom. Ay.
Yes, yeah, I've seen the classroom, yes. I just don't know yet. I know where the meeting room is. I know where the locker and where we get our armory. I don't know where we process. I don't know the patrol.
Classes, third floor.
The what?
Third floor.
What the fuck?
Ito yung...
Where?
Oh.
Where's the patrol?
This one. This word.
Okay. The fuck? Third floor to process somebody?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I haven't explored the third floor to be honest. What is in the third floor?
Here.
Why is there so
Still that
many
number?
cell? This is cell rooms? This is what are these?
So
What?
what?
We put here?
Yeah.
By the way, I wanna congrats you. I can see that you already HSPU.
I'm responding to the latest
I'm just a
Congrats,
0.5.
So I don't care. You're still. I ain't one. I ain't even point anything.
Natulog-tulog ka kasi.
Before I was so busy in driving. Now they don't have busy in driving. What the fuck is this? How can you process somebody here? You have to go inside? That's scary. This is where you process. Let's go. Let's respond. 199 Lincoln will be providing 78 to the latest 911 cause of truck hijackings. UG. Huh? But
Suspect vehicle now heading southbound Great Ocean Highway. And for vehicle description? Pink sports car, 2 doors, with 1 occupant wearing monkey mask.
then for the skip up.
Medyo mabagal barbado ko sir ha.
Just update with comms.
And 4, now heading southeastbound Great Ocean Highway.
Who's the one speaking on the radio right now?
494 Eno.
I'm sorry?
494 Eno.
Are you with the intern?
10-4 with the info. Now heading Del
Putang-
Perro Freeway
Ah!
heading southeastbound. Vehicle 50, still mobile.
Puta.
Now heading
Ano yun?
southbound Del Perro Freeway.
Ano yun? Tangang yan, down agad ako. Wala man. Tangang, hindi man ako nakasip. Puntahan nyo na lang ako.
Del Perro Freeway. On ramp.
Talaga. Minsan na lang mag-duty. Minsan na lang mag-duty, ganito pa nangyari.
Middle left turn,
Ano na?
northwestbound, Bay Avenue. Right turn. Marata natin yung ticket.
Musta, Ray? Yan yung duty. Ay, sala po ako kasi may tutulong. Please lang tumulong ka. Instead na hindi ka tumulong.
Nagagara British Coms, Dandering Highway. Middle left turn.
Sir, nakalak ba ito sa sakay mo, sir?
Entering Saint Stadium.
Saka, sir.
Exited.
Anong asan ako?
Dadalang kita, sir, sa hospital, sir.
Vehicle 50, still mobile. Now heading Madrid.
Ano, pwede ko ba ilak to sa sakay mo, sir? Lala ko lang, sir, ha?
Northwest.
Lala ko, sir, ha? Alak mo, sir?
Isa in my pocket. I reach for lock it.
Okay, sir.
Go lock it.
Now heading
Ano na, sir? Lala ko na, sir, ha?
Go.
Okay, sir.
Made another right turn. Heading eastbound, medium drive.
Hindi niya na-gets yung sayang ganda ng RP niya kinuha susi. Kasi hindi niya alamatan na may susi na siya. Hindi daw. Hindi. Good. Ano pala? Good. Ang ano?
Emergency.
Ng ilang buhay yan, no? Minsan na lang mag-duty, chat. What up, chat? What up? Ako yung nag-stream lang. Habang tulig pa ang totoong commander. Speaking of commander, kakasabi ko pa lang. Ay, baby. Ito mo, hindi na ako nag-stream talaga ng mundo. Tumba agad ako. Ay, ay baby. Tanong ko nga kanina sa chat, anong gagawin pag yung baby nyo, yung partner nyo, tulog ng tulog, tas miss nyo na? Anong gagawin?
Dok, pag naman ako dito.
Naku, binababa
Ano
na ako
nangyari?
ng...
Ako sir,
Binababa na
nakita
ako
ko lang
chat.
itong bulok ko.
Magbibigay.
Padata sa akin niya. Ano din yung ano? Ayoko na yun sir. Sige, salamat sir. Okay. Sir, mag-seatbelt ka next time sir ha? Okay sir.
Nagating mo naman, no? Baby. What up, chat? Huwag nyo na... Ba't nyo ako pinapanood kung gaano ako katanga at na bumangga ako?
Now at Las Lagunas Boulevard, heading southbound. With a right turn. Spanish Avenue. Entering alleyway 7. With a left, San Luis Boulevard. The right turn. Howie. With the left, alleyway. '95 figure heading southeastbound. With a right turn, left San Andreas Avenue, heading westbound. With a left turn, Calais.
What up?
Another
What up,
left,
chat?
Fuji Boulevard.
Sally, I'm in love with a stranger.
With the left turn,
Pinababa.
Road.
Chat, ano gagawin pag binababaan ka ng
Now heading Las Vegas
baby mo?
Boulevard. The right turn, San Andreas Avenue, heading westbound. Passing by Burger Shop. Touch with the left turn,
Lunggot na ako.
South Rockford Drive, heading southeast.
Saan?
With the right
Hello,
turn,
chat.
Palomino, made the
Yeah.
left again. Prosperity
Ah.
made another left. Entering alleyway.
Kamusta ho, sir?
Just the body hurts.
Okay ka naman na, sir? Wala nang masakit. Ito yung damit niya. Ako ba?
Everything somehow good. Yes, everything is good.
Prosperity Street.
You have ID, sir? Or
Yes,
badge?
yes.
Don Paolo. Okay. Padala ko na lang ho yung invoice.
So, Doc, can I ask for favor? Can you have a transport?
Sige po, saan ba?
Thank you very much. Just near the
Possible jump niya na to.
going to
10-4.
the impound area
Sending it.
nearby.
Ay, may nagdala sa yung concerned citizen.
Oh,
Tagpo ang kanya dun.
Oh my god. I don't know what happened.
Ah,
Heading northeastbound now at Palomino Avenue.
dito sa kotse. Advance siya, mas yung 1-1 lang. Hatid ko lang sa jeep.
Made a right turn. Fuji Boulevard heading eastbound. Now entering Red Garage. Exited.
Turn right, Doc. Yes, turn right.
San Andreas Avenue.
And straight ahead. Over there. Going to the red garage.
What's your active?
Ayun, kita ko na.
From 911 track ID, now alternative vector.
Thank you very much.
Ay, babanggain pa. Saro babanggain pa. Oh.
Vehicle description is a
Thank you,
two-door
Doc.
Permission to
sports
U-turn.
car, pink in
Go ahead,
color
go ahead.
with one
Yes
occupant.
po.
Status comms, I'll be reconnecting again.
10-4, now at Innocence Boulevard, heading southeast bound. Anong dito? 1.1.
10-4.
Need a right turn.
Can you check? Sino? Yun. Dito yun. Ha? Sino kayo? May bayad ba kami pag nag-fire department pati police?
Yes, turn again, southwest bound. To the right, passing by Strawberry Avenue. To the right, Strawberry Avenue. To the left turn. Now on ramp. Big freeway, heading west. Make U-turn. Now heading eastbound. Sending it straight. Incorrect lane of travel. Now off ramp.
Taking secondary for now. The right turn,
And
Trinity
for-
Popular Street. Just take over on my left side, secondary. Currently going up off on ramp, Olympic Freeway. Correct traffic lane westbound. So pushing it Olympic Freeway. Incorrect traffic lane 50. Take it secondary.
Sir. Take the secondary. Need yun yung barbado ko, sir.
And for copying U-turn.
Isa pang U-turn mo. Just the right turn, sir.
Taking secondary now. Exiting Olympic Freeway, exiting Popular Street, off ramp. Now entering Olympic Freeway again on ramp. Okay, the jump. I didn't make it. I didn't make it.
I didn't make it.
Nasaan na siya, Adam Sapol?
Wow.
Adam Sapol.
Engines fuck up.
Wow. Ito niyo yung chat. Yung sa Levi's? Wow. May ganun palang strat. Hindi ko ni-expect yun.
BCV.
Let's call it code 4.
10 for...
He's a daredevil. We're not daredevils. Welcome na nga ako. I don't feel good. What up? What up?
Eugene, tara pasama ako.
Ayan. Hindi yung chat? Yun ang ano.
Sige, una ka na sa PD. Tayo mo na lang ako dun.
Game stream na ako, chat. May naglalandi sa baby ko eh. Ano ko lang, tutumba ko lang oh. Nine show me conducting city patrol.
4942, Sir Eugene.
Send it, sir.
Tara, tara. Harap lang PD.
Yes.
Copy. Punta.
Yes, how can I help?
Po,
Sorry?
Gusto po sana namin mag-apply po
apply
police.
po sana kami ng police.
Oh, okay. You can go ahead and go to the department.
Ano po?
Go ahead to
Dito
the
po.
PD right now. I'm gonna
Ano
rage
po
it.
requirements?
If you have medical certificate and formal attire, please go there with the formal attire. And lastly,
Okay.
for now, just that one first. Okay,
Mm.
but you can actually go there right now.
Sige po.
Kasi po kailangan po ng medical po.
Yes, but I'll ask first. Go there for now. Okay, I'm gonna radio it. What's your name? Both of you?
Ano po, Deron. Tsaka Beyat.
Beatrice and Deron.
Maintindihan
We
kuya.
have an active
Okay.
identity here at Vespucci
Sorry po,
Boulevard.
wala ko siya
Go to PD. Go to
PD
PD.
po.
Yes.
Sige po.
Astro,
okay. Sige po.
PD daw ate.
77 needed.
199 to 384.
384, send it.
What's your current active?
Autos.
How long are you there in Autos? How many minutes?
Nagpapa-maintenance with Lieutenant Bessie.
10-4. Can you conduct interview?
4. Give me at least like 5 minutes.
10-4. For this two, tell them to follow up the medical certificate. Okay?
4.
Excuse me. Daron?
Ay, yes po.
Give us around maybe 5 to 10 minutes, then somebody will approach you here. But for now, I need you to change your clothes. At least wear something
Formal attire po.
semi-formal. At least semi-formal. At least
Semi-formal.
presentable.
Okay po.
Sige po.
Because
Akala ko po pwede po yung suot ko pang ROTC po eh.
you're gonna get
Hindi yan
interviewed.
ROTC kuya.
You want ROTC?
Opo. Akala ko po okay na yung suot ko.
Go change
Sige po,
before I
bibihis
check.
na lang po ako. Sige, thank you po.
Sige po.
What up? Sab. Basta.
Another kaso yun na walang lisensya.
Giro? Ano ka na sa D-mail? Wala pa, Jeep. DP.
10, the 9? Go send it.
Can we give a role to Giro?
To who? Sorry. What's the name?
Anong name niya, Sir Yuji? I check ko.
J. Hermano. J-H-A-Y.
Captain.
To our D-mail?
Gusto mo nang sleep call?
What? Quick, the radio is very...
A lot of warnings,
take that.
traffic
Slip call.
violation, and multiple conviction. Yang J. Herman.
God, this...
Inap ko, DP.
Last warning is February 2 this year.
I don't know. He has a role already.
Lieutenant Nasir gave him already.
10-4. Oo, wala akong role eh. Wala nga ako sinabing gusto ko eh. Gusto ko sleep call with my baby. Ang may kayo. Ito naguguluhan ako, chat. Napapaano ako eh. Iisip kasi ako eh. Napapaisip ako, love na love ni Don Pablo si Reynalyn, tas mawawala yun. Gago din pala. Yan, 2024. Tangina. February 14, 2024 po pinanganak po si Reynalyn. So 1 year old pa lang po si Reynalyn.
Kanya applicant, DP.
I told them to change first. They're wearing shorts.
Where?
Uh, 1 year old. Go to the PD right now. Hello? Hello?
Ay,
This is the Ron?
umidlip po yung kapatid ko po. Wala po si marinig eh.
And then
Wait
you
ko
go
na lang
change your clothes already. Go to the PD. Somebody's waiting for you
Okay.
already, okay?
Sige po, sige po.
On your window. Okay, to this brother naman. I have an active tender 8 here at Power Seat. Corridor ban, noted additional.
February 14. So 14 ko pala mag-go 1 year old.
The active tender 8 here, just to see for the bird is na code po.
Wala, naggera na ang Pilyo at WDS. Hindi po nakasama ang isang AMPADS. Ano buhay yan, oh.
Hala, there's a cop. What up, policeman?
Yeah, may mga WDS dito. May mga WDS dito, ala.
I think you have to look at yourself, sir.
WDS dito. Bakit? Grabe naman yung mga WDS dito.
Shut the fuck up. Sergeant. Nakaka-cancel tayo. Chat, mag-end stream na ako. Okay na yon. Kita-kits na lang sa mga susunod na araw. Itatapon ko na lang kayo, ipapa-raid ko na lang kayo kay nakalive ba si ano, si Kulot. Bye chat. Nakasim ba si Tommy? Raid. Pangalan ni Tommy? Bye chat. Sagitang stream lang. Okay na yun. Napag-stream na yun.
10:38 at power
36
stage na
minutes.
output.
All the love chat. All the love.